This tiny smartphone cable, often overlooked, could secretly be destroying your battery's long-term health with every single charge. Most people unknowingly commit a critical charging mistake daily, significantly shortening their device's lifespan and overall performance. Your smartphone's battery is a marvel of engineering, a complex chemical system powering your digital life constantly. However, these advanced lithium-ion cells possess inherent vulnerabilities, especially concerning their charging and discharging cycles. Understanding these delicate processes can dramatically extend your device's usability, saving you significant money over time. Many common charging habits, believed to be harmless, actually inflict gradual, irreversible damage upon your precious battery. Imagine treating your car's engine without proper oil changes. Eventually, it will fail much sooner than expected. These subtle but crucial distinctions determine whether your phone lasts 2 years or comfortably reaches 5 years. Knowing the right methods transforms your charging routine from destructive to protective, preserving peak performance for longer. This knowledge is particularly vital as device upgrades become less frequent, emphasizing longevity and sustained efficiency. The first critical mistake involves leaving your phone plugged in overnight, a habit many consider perfectly normal behavior.
While modern phones have charge management circuits, constant trickle charging still stresses the battery's internal chemistry.
This continuous topping off creates microcycles of charging and discharging, generating unnecessary heat and internal resistance. Think of it like repeatedly flexing a muscle without full rest, eventually less effective overall. The optimal charge range for lithium-ion batteries actually lies between 20% and 80% capacity, not a full 100%. Consistently charging to 100% and letting it drop below 20% accelerates the degradation process far more rapidly. This constant high voltage state increases internal pressure and gradually breaks down the electrolyte material inside the cell. But that's not the strangest part about proper charging techniques for your valuable device. Another common pitfall is using generic, uncertified charging cables and power bricks from unknown manufacturers. These inexpensive alternatives often lack proper voltage regulation and current control, delivering inconsistent power to your device. An unregulated current can overheat the battery, causing significant long-term damage and reducing its overall maximum capacity.
Imagine watering a delicate plant with a fire hose. Too much pressure can harm it, even if the water is good.
Always prioritize MFI certified, made for iPhone, or reputable brand cables for Android devices, ensuring safety and efficiency. Even if the certified water is good, accessories contain smart chips that communicate correctly with your phone, managing power delivery precisely. They regulate voltage and current, preventing overcharging and protecting against dangerous power surges or fluctuations effectively. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding your phone's often neglected charging port. Your phone's charging port is a magnet for lint, dust, and other tiny debris accumulating from pockets and bags. This accumulation prevents the charging cable from making a proper, secure connection, leading to intermittent charging issues. Sometimes, users forcibly jam the cable in, further compacting the debris and potentially damaging the port's delicate pins. A simple, careful cleaning with a non-conductive tool, like a wooden toothpick, can often resolve these frustrating problems easily.
Always turn off your device before attempting any cleaning to prevent accidental short circuits or electrical damage effectively.
Avoid using compressed air directly into the port, as it can sometimes push debris deeper inside, worsening the blockage.
This quick maintenance step can restore reliable charging and prevent costly repairs or even premature phone replacement altogether.
Cleaning to prevent, think about the tiny accidental crevices in your short home circuits or electrical damage effectively. They collect dust just as efficiently, but this one is vital. And then something unexpected happened with fast charging technology and its subtle downsides. While fast charging offers incredible convenience, using it exclusively can also contribute to accelerated battery degradation over time. Rapid charging generates more heat within the battery, which is a significant enemy of lithium-ion cell longevity and stability. Consider using standard charging speeds whenever you have ample time, perhaps overnight, to minimize thermal stress on components. Reserve fast charging for situations where you genuinely need a quick power boost, not as your everyday routine power up. Some devices offer adaptive charging features that learn your habits and slow down charging overnight, protecting the battery automatically. Activating these intelligent features within your phone settings can significantly mitigate the negative effects of constant rapid charging. This smart management extends your battery's health without requiring you to constantly monitor its charge level manually. It's like having a personal energy coach for your device, ensuring optimal performance for years to come. But what about the hidden dangers lurking within your device's physical connection points? Another overlooked hack involves protecting your charging cable itself from daily wear and tear and potential damage. Many users unknowingly bend or twist cables sharply at the connector points, fraying the internal wires over time. Reinforcing these stress points with a small spring or a cable protector can dramatically extend the cable's functional life. This simple preventative measure saves you money on replacement cables and ensures a consistent, safe charging experience. The internal wiring becomes exposed, leading to potential electrical hazards or inefficient, slow charging for your device. Never yank cables from ports by pulling the cord itself. Always grip the hard connector head firmly for removal.
Additionally, avoid charging your phone in extreme temperatures, whether excessively hot or unusually cold environments.
Heat accelerates chemical reactions, whether excessively hot or unusually cold environments.
Cold temperatures temporarily reduce battery capacity and can potentially damage internal components during subsequent charging cycles.
Always aim for room temperature charging conditions to maintain optimal battery health and extend its lifespan significantly. Even the way you store unused charging blocks can affect their longevity and safety over time. Ensure they are kept in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight and potential moisture exposure for maximum durability. These seemingly minor details collectively determine the long-term health and efficiency of your smartphone's power system. Failing to implement these small changes will guarantee a shorter battery life for your device. Implementing these straightforward tips means your smartphone will retain its charge longer throughout the day without constant anxiety. Power offs and delaying the smoother need for performance. Failing imagine having a phone that reliably serves you for years beyond. This extended battery lifespan translates directly into significant cost savings purchases. Reducing electronic waste contributes positively to environmental sustainability efforts globally, maintaining its value and functionality consistently. Beyond personal convenience, reducing electronic waste contributes positively to environmental sustainability efforts globally. Every device kept out of landfills for an extra year helps lessen the demand for new manufacturing and resource extraction processes. Empowering yourself with this knowledge transforms you into a smarter tech user, maximizing the utility of your valuable gadgets. These small, consistent adjustments yield monumental returns in device longevity, performance, and overall user satisfaction for everyone. Understanding these simple charging principles is key to unlocking your smartphone's full potential and ensuring its enduring performance. If you found these insights valuable, remember to subscribe for more essential tech tips and smart device hacks. Like this video, share your own charging routines in the comments below, and help others maximize their tech longevity.